In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view other people's calendars in Outlook. This feature can be incredibly helpful when you're trying to coordinate schedules with colleagues or manage project timelines efficiently. We'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure you can access shared calendars seamlessly. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. Open your browser and navigate to the Outlook sign-in page. Enter your login credentials, that's your email address and password. Once you've input that information, go ahead and click Sign In. This will take you to your Outlook dashboard where you have access to all your email and calendar functionalities. Now that you're in, it's important to understand that Outlook requires permissions for you to view someone else's calendar. Essentially, the person whose calendar you'd like to view must have already granted you access. Alternatively, they can share their calendar with you directly, which sends you an invitation to view it. So make sure that permission or an invitation has been properly set up before proceeding. Once permission has been granted, find and click on the Calendar tab. In the Outlook sidebar, locate the section labeled Other Calendars on the left side of your screen. This is where additional calendars that you've been given access to will appear, and is critical for toggling between different views. Now, when you look in the Other Calendars section, you'll see the name of the shared calendar. Simply click on it to view the calendar. This will display the calendar on your screen right alongside your personal calendar. You'll notice that you can easily turn this calendar on or off by checking or unchecking the box next to its name in the sidebar. This toggle feature allows you to compare schedules effortlessly and ensure you're viewing the correct calendar. It's particularly handy when you're managing multiple shared calendars and want to focus on just one. Remember, the key to accessing someone else's calendar in Outlook is the permission setup. If you're unable to see a shared calendar or encounter access issues, double check with the person who shared it to make sure everything is set up correctly. That's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can view any calendar that's been shared with you through Outlook, making schedule coordination a breeze. I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your productivity and time management skills. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for tuning in, and happy scheduling.